Hello and welcome to another AIC Productions video. Today I am super excited because this is just a quick hardware overview or internal overview of the Lenovo Ideapad S940. Lenovo provided me with this system for review, and I do what I do with every laptop. I have opened it up and I just wanted to show the hardware because I wanted to answer some questions I had, which is on such a thin and light notebook, and this is a thin computer. There's almost nothing to it. What, if anything, is upgradable after purchase? And the answer is storage. That is the only thing you can upgrade. So if you're looking to order one of these, go to Lenovo's website and do the customization, because for whatever reason, when you buy the customization, it's cheaper than if you buy the pre-configured model. But you want to upgrade to the higher end CPU, you want to upgrade to the 16 gigs of memory, and you want to upgrade to the UHD screen. Do not upgrade the hard drive from the 256 gig SSD because it is very easily swappable for much less. They want to charge you $300 for a 1 terabyte NVMe PCIe, or I guess PCIe NVMe drive. You can get these on Amazon for a Samsung 970 EVO for less than $220, and then you have this drive that you can sell on Craigslist or eBay for cheap, so you can get some of your money back. So, and you get even cheaper. There's a Crucial one on there for 120 bucks, so that's even significantly cheaper. So yeah, don't spec up the SSD because you can easily swap that out, but nothing else is upgradable, nothing else is swappable, nothing else is changeable. So definitely get the 16 gigs of RAM, definitely get the faster CPU. It is a 4-core, 8-thread Core i7 processor, so that is totally worth getting an upgrade for. Not even the Wi-Fi is upgradable. Everything is soldered onto that motherboard. Fortunately, to take the case off, it is literally, this is one of the easiest laptops I've had to take apart. It's just these 4 screws. I used a T5 Torx bit. Is that going to focus? Let's see. T5 on there for those 4 screws. And then on the back of the system, they even give you a little handle. I just very lightly from this dentation, I just pull up and then just lift it up around the edges, and it just popped right off. No issues at all because it's so thin and light and there's so few ports, none of them interfere with the bottom cover, and it just came right off. So anyways, this was just a super quick video just showing you the internal guts of the Ideapad S940. So again, if you go to buy this, definitely buy it with the higher end screen, the higher end or the 16 gigs of memory versus the 8, and the faster CPU. And they only charge you $100 for each upgrade. 100% worth it, I think. When I go to do the review, the screen is gorgeous, the CPU is fast. There's no graphics upgrade outside of what comes standard on the integrated graphics, so no point in going after the graphics on this because there isn't any other options. And then you want the more memory, you just do. More memory is always a better thing. Anyways, if you have any questions about this laptop, I will be doing a full review in the coming weeks after I have had some time with it. And I'd appreciate any questions you'd like answered on it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day.